Today, I'm going to show you how to accept a Google Calendar invitation, which you will need to do. If you go to gmail.com, you're going to show up and you're going to see all your emails, which most of them should be deleted because we did that last week. You're going to go over to the right where you see 9 dots. It says, if you hover over it, it'll say Google Apps. You click that, and then you're going to see all these different Google apps. You're going to scroll down and you'll see Calendar on the third row in the middle. Click on Calendar, and it's going to load your Google Calendar. Now, these are all the invitations that I sent you all, and you should have an invitation for all your classes by now. If you do not see a invitation from Mr. Bradford, then just know that it's coming soon, and I'm just waiting on his links. Once you see that the invitation's on here, you'll notice that on your screen, the colors are not filled in. That's because you did not respond to the invitations. If you hover over the event, so science morning class, if I hover over it, you need to right click with your mouse, right click, and it'll ask you going, yes, no, or maybe. This person already responded yes, so that's why my bubbles are filled in. But if you did not respond to an event, you'll see that it's not filled in the colors. So that's how you know if you responded yes or not, or no. You need to go ahead and accept all the calendar invites that I sent you. So once you right click, yes, it's going to ask you, do you want to accept the invitation for this event or all the events? You want to accept it for all the math classes. Then you're going to do it for social studies morning class. Right click, going, yes. This one for September 1st or all of them. We're going to do all of them. Then you are going to click 2 more. That means you have 2 more that are not showing. 2 more. AM social studies office hours, right click, going, click yes. Same thing, all the events. You need to do this for all of the invitations that I sent you. That should be around 6 or so for all your classes. Make sure that all your bubbles are filled in. That's how you know that you accepted. And make sure that you are clicking 2 more or 3 more, whatever you see, so that you can see all the invites. Another way that you can see your Google Calendar invitations is in your Gmail account. So click the Google Apps on the right, go back to Gmail. You'll notice that last week Friday, I told you not to delete your emails that said invitation. That's because I wanted you to see this part. If you scroll, you'll notice that Ms. Philossaint sent an invitation for science morning class. If you click that, it gives you the link. So I linked everything for you all, so everything should be in one place. It'll give you the Zoom link, and it'll ask you yes, maybe, or no. You need to select yes, and then it'll say this event or all events, and you do all events. The reason why it's not working now is because I already accepted the events on the Google Calendar. So that's the second way you can do it. I recommend just going on the Google Calendar and accepting it there. It's easier, it's faster, it's much more simple. Once you accepted all the invites and your colors are filled in, you can go ahead and delete the emails from your invitation. So the ones that I told you to keep on Friday, you can go ahead and delete those because we don't need them anymore. I just wanted you all to see the relation between those two and to know that you can get emails from those.